If you want to be skillful, if you want to take your business to the next level, you have to realize this. When you slow the process down in the beginning, you will speed up the result in the end. What do I mean by that? Don't go running into nightclubs going, "Yo! I'm single, I'm rich, I got 7% body fat, who wants kids, my car's parked outside." You're like, that sounds really weird. Yeah, it would get you slapped. Okay? Yet, we're like, I would never act like that in my personal life. That is rude, gross, obtuse, and disgusting. Yet when you call people and they call you back, you jump into, "Hey, thank you so much for calling me back. I'd love to talk to you about our email newsletter. This email newsletter is fantastic. It's going to bring a lot of business to your business. It's going to give you a lot of exposure and visibility. If you're opening up new locations, bam, this is the right tool to help you do that." Is no different than you guys walking into a nightclub yelling that you're single and you like to mingle. It's gross, it's disgusting, you're not there yet. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton, I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.